Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DocuSign for insurance policy signature workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect DocuSign for insurance policy signature workflows, begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to create and manage templates. Navigate to the Templates section from the main menu. Click on the Create Template button to start a new template. In the template creation window, enter a name and description for your insurance policy template. Upload the insurance policy document that needs to be signed. Set the signing order if multiple signers are required. Drag and drop the necessary fields onto the document, including signature, date, and name fields. Assign roles to each field according to the signers involved. Once your template is ready, save it for future use. Next, navigate to the Integrations section in your account settings. Select the API and Keys option to generate an integration key. Follow the prompts to create an API integration key if you have not done this previously. The integration key will be essential for connecting DocuSign with your insurance software. Copy the generated key and securely save it for later use. Visit the API documentation provided by DocuSign to understand how to implement the integration effectively. In your insurance software, locate the Settings or Integration tab. Input the integration key into the appropriate field designated for DocuSign connections. Configure any additional settings as required by your software platform. Test your connection by sending a sample document for signing to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once confirmed, you can start using the DocuSign integration within your insurance workflows. Monitor the progress of your documents directly through both your insurance software and DocuSign. Implement best practices by training your team on how to use the integrated system for maximum efficiency. Regularly check for updates in both your insurance software and DocuSign to maintain compatibility and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.